Bluey peeked into the mirror. Her ears had magically turned into soft, fluffy bunny ears. She twitched them curiously. "What's happening to me?" she gasped. Tail wagging nervously, she bounced around the room. Bingo ran over. Eyes wide with shock and excitement. "Bluey, you look like a real bunny." Bluey wiggled her new ears. "Do you think Dad will notice?" she asked. Downstairs, Mom was watering the plants. "Bluey, what are you doing up there?" she called. Bluey hopped to the living room. Each step felt funny and bouncy. "Look, Mom. My ears are bunny ears," she said. Mom laughed. "Oh my. That's adorable, but careful, don't knock over the vase." Dad entered the room. He rubbed his eyes. "What on earth?" "Bluey, your ears," he said. Bluey twirled. Her ears flopped cutely. "I woke up like this." Bingo giggled. "We should play bunny hop outside." Bluey and Bingo dashed to the backyard, hopping and twirling with laughter. The sun shone bright. Birds chirped happily. Bluey tried to catch a butterfly. Her long ears flopped with each jump. "Almost got it," she exclaimed. Suddenly, Snickers ran past. He barked and jumped, confused by the bunny ears. Bluey giggled. "Even Snickers doesn't recognize me." Bingo rolled in the grass. "You look super funny. Let's race." The afternoon passed quickly. They played tag, hide and seek, and bunny hop races. Bluey's ears bounced with every movement. She felt light and free. Mom brought lemonade. "Time for a break, my little bunnies," she said. Bluey sipped happily, tail wagging in delight. As the sun began to set, Bluey's ears shimmered in the golden light. "I hope they stay like this forever," she whispered. Bingo hugged her. "Even if they don't, today was the best bunny adventure ever." Dad snapped a photo. "Smile, Bluey. Bunny ears and all." Bluey waved to the camera. If you loved our silly bunny day, give a like, tap subscribe, and join us for more fluffy adventures.